So, I made a mistake. One mistake. Must I keep on paying? Well, I guess you've seen a lot of horror stories. What are some of the most common problems that people come to you to solve?
The majority of the problems that people come to see me about is one, that they don't want to pay too much money in taxes. So they're looking for someone to help them tax plan and tax strategize with them. The second thing that people come to see me for is IRS notices, or that they're potentially under an audit. And so they come for me for the advice and help to represent them in front of the Internal Revenue Service. My license is an enrolled agent, and what that means is that I'm federally licensed. I can practice in any of the states, and I don't have to relicense in those states. It also means I'm one of America's tax experts. That's kind of the slang the National Association of Enrolled Agents said. So based upon that, I ended up going and taking 3 more years of continuing education to receive my fellowship in IRS representation. So that is why people come to me in the event that they are being audited by the Internal Revenue Service. Because I have that extra years of education, I'm better equipped to help solve their problems in front of the Internal Revenue Service.
Southlake is known for owners, entrepreneurs, and family-owned businesses. What are some of your best practices for limiting tax liabilities?
Proper structure. You don't know how many times I have small businesses come into my office that are paying so much in taxes because they haven't properly structured their business. They're either sole proprietorship or limited liability company, and instead of being that way and going possibly into an S corporation or C corporation, establishing payroll, they can save a ton of money. The other thing that I would highly recommend that a lot of people forget is hire their children. Because of these family-owned businesses and their kids and how active everyone is in the community, you can actually hire your children and pay up to the standard deduction of $12,400. Your children don't pay any income tax on that, and you actually get a write-off. And tell me, how much money have we spent on soccer and baseball and swim that we pay out of our pocket and we get no tax benefit for it? So why not use your business to get a write-off for something that you're going to spend the money anyways?
What's it like to work with numbers all day?
Well, I actually failed math in high school. So when I was going to college, I wanted to challenge myself and I wanted to improve something that was my worst subject. So I thought, well, why not major in accounting, because accounting is all math. And so hence I majored in accounting and tried to develop my math skills a lot better. So working with numbers for me now isn't really working for numbers, because basically I don't see the numbers, I don't see the pluses and the minuses. What I really see is the end result, how much money I'm actually saving my clients every time I prepare that return for them.
What sets you apart from others in your industry?
What makes me different compared to my peers in this industry is that I actually really care about the success of my clients. I really get involved in what they're doing. I want them to save money. I want them to be able to put money into their businesses, into their retirements, into their college education, to their kids' college education. I really want that. So I really take the time to learn about what my clients are doing, where they plan to see themselves 5 years from now. I spend quite a bit of time understanding that and strategizing with them because I truly want what's best for them. What sets me apart, or what makes me different than, say, a CPA, in my opinion, I believe that if you're looking for someone to prepare your taxes, to tax plan, tax strategize with you, or represent you in front of an IRS audit, you hire an enrolled agent. If you're a CFO for a Fortune 500 company, then hire a certified public accountant. That's what sets me apart, is the fact that my license is held at a federal level, the fact that I've been doing this for 30 some odd years. I worked in corporate America for 12 years, so I have a wide variety of education and experience when it comes to dealing with different types of businesses and their taxes.